I have LG G4 and let me show you how to perform reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, find and select the apps icon, then choose settings, tap general, scroll down and here you need to find and select the backup and reset. Scroll down again, choose network settings reset. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's tap reset settings and tap reset settings again just to confirm the operation. So that's it, now you can go back and start using your device. Network settings are reset, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.